Improper fractions and mixed numbers.
In this section, we will be asked to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Before I go over the steps, I just want to mention that an improper fraction is a fraction that has a numerator that is larger than the denominator. So for instance, 13 over 7 is an improper fraction. That's because the numerator is larger than the denominator. A mixed number is a number that's comprised of a whole number and a fraction. So an example of a mixed number would be 2 and 2/3. We have a whole number and then we have a proper fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. When we are asked to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, we're going to follow these steps. First, we'll divide the denominator into the numerator using long division. Next, we're going to write the mixed number. Note that the number on top of the long division bar is the whole number, and the remainder should be placed over the original denominator to write the fractional portion of the mixed number. We'll discuss this in our next example. Write the improper fraction as a mixed number in simplest form. Again, this is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. To write a mixed number, we're going to use long division. We'll take the denominator and place it on the outside of the division bar, and then the 14 will go inside. So we're dividing 14 by 3. Now, how many times does 3 go into 14? Well, I know that 3 times 4 is 12, so it goes into 14 4 times. Next, we'll multiply the 4 times the 3 to get the 12, and then we'll subtract. So 14 minus 12 is 2. That means that our remainder is 2. So the whole number of our mixed number is 4. The remainder is 2. So we're going to place the 2 as our numerator, and the denominator will be the 3. So our mixed number is 4 and 2/3. The answer to this question is a mixed number. To type in a mixed number into my math lab, we'll put our cursor in the answer box and select the mixed number template in the math toolbox. This is the second button from the left. In the box outside, or to the left of the fraction, we'll type in the 4. Then we'll move the cursor to the numerator position. You can do this by clicking above the fraction bar, or you can select the right pointing arrow on your keyboard to move the cursor. Next, type in a 2, and then move your cursor beneath the fraction bar to type in a 3. Now we're going to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. If you look at our definition, we have the mixed number Q and then R over B. So Q is the whole number, R is the numerator, and B is the denominator. Our first step is to multiply the denominator and the whole number together. So that means I'm going to multiply Q times B together. Next, we're going to add the numerator, which is the plus R. That value goes on top of the fraction bar. Then we're going to place that value over the original denominator, which is b. Convert the mixed number to an improper fraction, 3 3/4. So again, first we're going to multiply the denominator times the whole number. So we'll multiply those two numbers together, and then we're going to add that number to the numerator. So the denominator times the whole number, and then add the numerator. And we're going to place that over the original denominator. So 3 times 4 is 12. And then 12 plus 3 is 15. So our improper fraction is 15/4. The answer to this question is 15/4. So we'll just select the fraction template, type in a 15, move our cursor beneath the fraction bar, and type in a 4.